everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and staying safe. If you're new around here, my name is Jess and today I'm going to be putting together a home haul video. Now, if you follow me over on my Instagram, you will know that we have been very busy recently. We have been renovating 2 rooms in our house at the same time, and I don't recommend that to anybody. It has been extremely stressful, but we are now at the final stages. So we have been renovating both our bathroom and home office, and they are coming along so nicely, and I cannot now wait for them both to be finished and yeah, just for the works to be done actually and to have my house back. But the last step in the process is the styling, and that's my favourite part. I absolutely love styling, as you may know. So I have been very busy browsing the internet, trying to find lots of different bits and bobs that I could feature in the room, and I have done a whopping home haul, and I just thought it would be really fun to share all of these items with you. They are from a variety of different places. Some are from well-known stores, some are from slightly smaller brands. I will link everything in the description box below in case there is anything that you would like to shop. So before we get stuck into the goodies that are inside the boxes, we need to unbox everything. Let's get unboxing.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about.
Now everything is unboxed. It is time to have a look through what I got, and I have to say I am so pleased with everything that has arrived. It is exactly as I had hoped. Now the way that I'm going to try and do this, because there is a mixture of bathroom and home office items, I am going to try and keep them all like together. So I will do the home office items first and then we'll do the bathroom products, but I think you're gonna love them. So the first item for the home office that arrived was this beautiful frame. So this frame is from Charles Ted Interiors, and it's kind of got like a shell effect on here, as you can see. It's so pretty. This is going to be going on the office on a console table that I'm putting in there for myself to work from, because both myself and my partner Matt are now both working from home. He's got his desk and I just want a little desk for me, so I've got a console table coming in there. So stay tuned for an update on the office, because that will be coming very soon, but this will be featured in there with a nice picture of our family inside. So as I was saying, the office is going to be a dual room. It's going to be for both myself and Matt. He's got his own corner. So I wanted to get him a couple of masculine items to go in there, things that just kind of put his own stamp on stuff. So one of the things I picked up again from Charles Ted Interiors was this beautiful Adonis. Now, how handsome is he? Look at those rippling muscles. He is probably one of my new favorite things actually, and he is going to be going on some shelves in the office. And yeah, I just think he's really good. He's such good quality. He looks like he's made of bronze, but he wasn't very expensive either, so I'll make sure I link him below. And then to join him on the shelves, I also picked up this beautiful sort of bronzy black coloured pot. Again, this is from Charles Ted Interiors, and I just think this is so stunning. It's actually a bit bigger than I had imagined, but it will go so nicely on the shelves alongside the Adonis and a basket and some books and stuff. So yeah, that's really lovely. So going back to my side of the room where the console table is going to be, I'm going to have a frame on one side with some books and stuff, and then my MacBook can go in the middle with a giant mirror above. I'll insert a picture of kind of what my vision is for this room. And then on the other side, I'd like there to be some foliage. So I picked up this gorgeous vase. This is from Layered Lounge, and I actually bought one of these already, and it's in the kitchen at the moment on the dining table, and I had originally intended for that one to go in the office, but now it's downstairs. I'm like, I can't part with it. So I bought another one, and it's this lovely kind of like concrete texture in a white kind of colour. It's just so pretty. I cannot describe how lovely this is, but it's a good size. And to go with it, I picked up 2 stems of this eucalyptus. It's faux, and it's got kind of like these sort of berry effect on it. So they're going to be, I'm going to trim them down, and they're going to be going inside the vase like this on the other side of the console table. So I really love those, and again, these are from Layered Lounge as well. Now, at the moment, that is all I have bought for the office. In fairness, most of the things that are in the office are already there, so I bought a light fitting and a rug and things like that, but I will show you those when I do the reveal for that in a few weeks' time. So moving into the new bathroom, which is coming along, and it's probably more finished than the office. I have got lots and lots of beautiful little items to share. So let's start with, it's so difficult to pick because everything is so lovely. So I picked up this little sea urchin, I think you're gonna we call them. This is just lovely. This is from Chelstead Interiors, and I've wanted one of these for quite a long time, but they're really hard to get hold of. But they had one, so I picked it up. It's so pretty. There we go, the camera's focusing. So nice. Yeah, that will be going in the bathroom on the ladder shelf that I am going to be putting up in there. So it's a nice little one. I then picked up this small tea light holder from Dunelm, and this was like £1.25 or something. It was really good price. And what I'm going to do is just pop a couple of sprigs of eucalyptus inside there, and again, that's going to be going on the ladder shelf, and I thought that was a really good price, and it's really pretty too. Speaking of eucalyptus, something else I picked up from Dunelm when I visited there the other day was a couple of sprays of eucalyptus. Now, these are slightly different to the ones that I picked up from Layered Lounge. They've got more like new buds on them, and these are going to be trimmed slightly to go in little pots and things, but also I'm going to do a big display on the windowsill in there. So I picked up 5 sprays, and these were only £2 each, so I thought that was really affordable, and they look really lovely. Now, the next shop that I visited online was The White Company, and I absolutely love The White Company. I could shop there all day. So I had a gift voucher, and I decided that I was going to buy some items for the bathroom from there. Little treats that I wouldn't necessarily buy myself if I didn't have a gift voucher. So this is what I picked up. So again, thinking about styling the ladder shelf, I picked up this beautiful glass jar that I'm going to pop some cotton pads and bits and bobs inside. I just thought it was so pretty. I think it was about £22 or something like that. And I've looked many places for jars like this, sort of like in the range and even in Dunelm and places like that, but I have to say, out of all of the ones that I've ever seen, yeah, this is by far the nicest. Then another item to go on the ladder shelf again is another piece of glass. This is supposed to be a candle holder, but I think I might again put a couple of sprays of eucalyptus in it and just style it up. But yeah, I think this is so pretty. Like, how gorgeous is that? I love the kind of ripples going around the glass. I think this was originally intended to go in the office, but I'm kind of swaying more towards the bathroom, but I haven't fully decided yet. It might just end up anywhere, but yeah, I really love this. It's so nice. Another item from The White Company is this beautiful marble, I think it's a soap dish. It's so pretty, and it's really good quality as well. It was £15, and yeah, I absolutely love that. I just think it will look so nice on a like a bath rack, just resting. And then my idea is to put some are they pumice stones? I bought these from Amazon. I'm going to pop a couple of those in with maybe like a natural sponge or something like that, and it will just really look stylish and beautiful. So we've only got 3 items left, and these are, 2 of them are smelly items and 1 of them is a more practical item. So we'll start with the smelly ones. Sticking with The White Company, I picked up this lovely Sleep Relax bath soak. It's made of lavender and chamomile, and it's a calming bath soak. I'm so excited for this. This again will be styled styled but also used on the bath rack, and it says on the back, enjoy a tranquil night's sleep with this naturally infused sleep remedy. I mean, how lovely does that sound? And that's how it looks. Such a nice bottle, and I really liked the clear fluid inside. Beautiful. And then to join the beautiful bath soak, I got a candle again from the White Company. This is the Spa Restore, and it's scented with geranium, neroli and eucalyptus, which just sounds divine if you ask me. I think it's very similar. They're both from the Spa collection from the White Company. They're going to go together. I really like the Spa collection from the White Company. I think all the items just look really classy, but they also smell amazing. And I actually had a White Company advent calendar a couple of years ago, and the items inside that again were just so beautiful. Like, it's a couple of home things inside the advent calendar, but also like beauty products, and yeah, I loved all of the beauty products in there, so I'm really excited to try these. Now, the very last item to go in the bathroom is this ginormous basket. Now, this basket I purchased to again go on the ladder shelf, and what I'm hoping is that it will fit on the bottom shelf, and inside there I can put all of like Olivia's bath toys and bits and bobs in there, because she has a lot, and what I really didn't want to do in the bathroom was have a basket like we did before that you could see and all the toys were everywhere. And I also didn't want to put in a cabinet under the sink because I felt it was going to make the room quite cluttered. So I thought I'd try this and see how we get on with it, but hopefully that will look lovely. And what I will do is insert a picture here of how I'm envisaging the ladder shelf to look in the bathroom to give you a better idea. So that brings us to the end of the unboxing and home haul. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a great big thumbs up. And also don't forget that you can shop any of the products in the description box below. If you would like to see how I've styled them, head over to my Instagram, and I will be sharing snippets throughout the next few weeks of both rooms, so you might be able to catch a glimpse of them. If you've got any questions, or if you just want to say hi, head down to the comments and I will be sure to get back to you. Until next time everybody, stay safe, take care, bye!